Hi, today I will analyze the Franklin Equipment Ltd case. There are three parts in my presentation: company and main character in the case introduction, case problem analysis, and the case solutions. Um, First of all, Franklin Equipment Ltd (FEL) is a Canada-based manufacturing company specializing in custom design and assembly of heavy machinery, particularly on rock crusher and for the construction industry. Founded 75 years ago, the company has a strong presence throughout Canada and has recently begun expanding into international markets. One of the FEL's latest projects is the Abu Dhabi project, a project to design and build a rock crushing plant for a construction site in the Middle East. The success of this project crucially for FEL international expansion. The key member of Abu Dhabi project management team include Charles Gatenby, is the project manager responsible for the Abu Dhabi project. He plays a critical role in leading the project to completion and has high expectation for its success. Bill Rankin is a talented design engineer responsible for technical design and specification, but has a tense relationship with the project manager, operation manager. Um, Rob Berry, the operation manager responsible for the manufacturing and the installation process, who does not get along with rankings. Uh, Next, Ellen Bruder, the finance and cost accounting manager in charge of budgeting and cost control. Her objectives are unclear and seem somewhat indifferent to the project. Sam Stonebreaker is the human resources manager, focusing on team building and compliance with the local labor regulation. Despite knowing a personal conflict in group, he remained optimistic that things will work out. Carl Job is an internal consultant specializing in teams building and hired by Gartemy to improve team dynamics for the project. His tasked with addressing conflict with the project team. According to what we see in the case, uh, FEL assigned manager based on this their expertise and availability. This criterion ensure that FEL has manager with the necessary experience and skill for each project. However, the problem with this approach is that does not take into account to the relationship between team members. Assigning manager without considering the personal compatibility of the ability to work together can lead to conflict and discord, as seen with the Perry and ranking. FEL also does not provide sufficient preparation or support to address conflict or personal issues. Here are some key issue facing by the Abu Dhabi project. Conflict among team members. There are significant tension between Bill Ranking and the design engineer. Bill Ranking, the design engineer, and Rob Berry, the operation manager. Berry hold a deep dislike for Ranking and blame him for personal and professional issue. Despite having worked together before, the team member having very level of commitment and motivation. This inconsistent impact work performance and create risk for the project success. And Additional, Charles Gatenby, the project manager, tasked Carl Job, the internal consultant, with resolving conflict between Perry and Rankin. Gatenby indicates that if the conflict isn't resolved within 2 months, Rankin will be fired. And this kind of pressure can lead to unfair decision and increase the tension within the team. And lastly, Elena Bruder, the financial manager, showed reluctance to engage the Abu Dhabi project, which can affect cost and control and budgeting. The dilemma of Job currently facing. Job identified that there is clear conflict between Perry and Ranking, which could hinder the progress of the Abu Dhabi project. And additionally, the finance manager Bruder seemed disinterested in the project and may not cooperate with the team. The tension among team members and the lack of collaboration can impact project success. Job must find a way to foster team spirit and resolve to conflict with while ensuring the project stay on track. He also has to manage the pressure from Gatenby, who expect a quick and effective solution. And moreover, the way Gatenby mentioned that the ranking would be fine if conflict persists to job headache, as the information wasn't communicated to the rest of the team. Here are some solutions for the Abu Dhabi project. Job should advise Gatenby reconsider the method of assigning project manager, emphasizing the need of consider the relationship among team members. Job might also suggest that Gatenby create an open environment where team members can voice their concerns and resolve conflict constructively. And to address the situation between Perry and ranking, Job could propose group meeting and team building activity to enhance cooperation. And lastly, Job should recommend that Team Gatenby ensure all team members clearly understand the project goal and have a contingency plan if the conflict cannot be resolved. Firing isn't the best solution and could have other negative consequences. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.